Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikkel, and today's video is going to be about how I got this look. So a little cute little tutorial, and yeah, that's about it. And basically this look is based off of Beats by Deb. I don't think she has a YouTube video on it, but she did do it for her Instagram. To me, I'll put her picture right there or somewhere on here, either. We'll figure it out. Well, at least I'll figure it out. So if you want to figure out how I got this look, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this white base on my lid and take this hot pink color from the James Charles palette and then start packing that in the, well, above the inner corner of my eyelid towards the center, like so. I don't want to go too much into my corner because I am going to be applying a different color right there when I cut my crease. Also, the reason why I'm using a white base is so that the colors become more vibrant. They still do be vibrant when I use a lighter concealer, but for the yellow that I'm going to use, I just want to just continue to use the white base. And when you're trying to use the white base while you have concealer on there, then it just makes the white base turn tan. So I just decided to use the whole white base. And also the brush I'm using is the Luxie 141 Mini Round brush. I also got this in a BoxyCharm, so I'm not sure if you can buy it on their website or not, or if it's exclusive to BoxyCharm. But yeah, that's the brush I got. It's really good for packing up in them corners. And also I'm taking my little magic eraser to take the color off so I can use the same brush to use for the purple and the blue. Okay, so next I'm taking this purple that's also in a James Charles palette, and I'm going to basically just go where I ended off with the pink and then pack that on and then go towards the end of my brow, but not all the way there, so I can still have room to add on the blue. Okay, now I'm going to take this blue from the James Charles palette and then go from where I ended off with the purple and then basically bring it out past the end of my brow, but not too far out because when I blend it, it's going to go even farther than that. And then I also am going to go over the purple a little bit just because I wanted the blue to show up more than the purple. Okay, with this Take Me Back to Brazil palette, my plan was to do a light pink, a light purple, and a light blue to blend the top part of it, but I could not find a light purple, so technically me doing the baby blue and baby pink part didn't really work because when I tried to blend the pink and the blue over, it wouldn't really mesh how I wanted it to. So you're just going to see me attempt to do that part, but then in the end, it will be completely different. Also, sorry about me not being in like the center of the screen. I thought I was when I was recording this, but I guess not. But as you see, the blue was looking nice when I blended out with that baby blue. But when it gets to this purple part, it ain't looking too sweet. Now right here is when I tried to blend that pink over to the purple to see if it would look nice, just to have it blended out with a color, but I wasn't liking it at all. Now while I think about how to fix this top part, I'm going to just cut my crease basically by just taking this makeup remover with a Q-tip to carve it out like so. And I find it's easier to use a Q-tip than to use a wipe because Q-tips you can be more precise with it. Okay, now this is the white base that I had used in the beginning. This NYX white jumbo pencil. So I'm gonna take that and then put that on my lid, and then also I'm gonna take some of it on my finger so I can blend it more towards the crease without messing up the color that I already have there. Now we're about to get into this yellow. The whole reason why I did this whole white base stuff. Y'all finna see this yellow pop on this lid. Boom. See, told you it popping. Like I usually have hard times with yellows, so I have to use a white base. But as you see when you use a white base, the yellow pops. And this also is the yellow from the James Charles palette. Okay, then right here I tried to take a brush to blend the yellow, but by me doing that, it actually took some of the yellow off. So I have to go back in and pack some more of the yellow on, but it did blend it nicely towards the edges where when I add this green from the James Charles palette, it helps blend them together. Now I'm going to take this same blue with this pointier blending brush, and I'm going to pack that on the outer edge to close it all up, and I'm just taking it to make everything connect, and then I'm going to blend it all together. Also, I'm going to actually take this blue and drag it a little bit on my lid as well. And my dang elf brush broke. Okay, and now I'm going to take a Q-tip and clean up the fallout I have, and also clean up this wing look I have going on here and make it nice and pointy. Okay, now I'm going to take that same brush I used earlier to blend this pink down around the yellow because I felt like that part was empty, like it needed something there. So I was just taking that pink and then blending it downward. And I'm also going to blend the pink and purple together and then the purple and blue together as well. Okay, now we're going back to the top part. I'm going to take these pink and then this purple blue metallically shade to put up by my brow. And also this icy blue shade from the James Charles palette. And the other palette is also the Juvia's Palace Place. Then I also go back in to add more colors to make them pop because I feel like they kind of faded away as I was adding those shimmers. Now I'm going to take this NYX glitter and then apply that basically above the yellow and the green, like the center of it. I'm not going to go all the way into my crease, like the center of my eye, and I'm also not going to go too far outward. I just wanted to sit in the middle. And right now what I'm applying is the glitter glue, so you can't really see it because it dries clear. And then with that same brush I used to apply the glue, I'm going to apply the glitter with it as well and try and go as slow as possible so that way I don't get the glitter everywhere.
Where you going?
Okay, now I'm going to take this mascara that I got in my previous BoxyCharm video that I posted. I'm just going to apply this on my lashes before I put my false lashes on. Next, I'm going to take these lashes here. I'm sorry, I don't know where they're from, who they're by, or anything like that, because when I got my prom makeup done for my boyfriend's prom, these are the lashes that the makeup artist used, and I just took them off and kept them because I love them so much. So I technically do not know where they're from or who they're by or anything like that, and they're already been cut to fit my eye. And sorry for this part, you won't really be able to see it that much, but how I apply my lashes, I have to look down to apply them, and then I need to grab some tweezers to make sure I get the ends on correctly and also make sure I blend my lashes. If you want to see a better, a closer tutorial on how I apply my lashes, just let me know down in the comment section. Okay guys, this is how the look turned out. I did the other eye off camera and added some blue under my lower lashes. But yeah, this is how the look turned out. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And turn your notification bell on. And thanks. Bye.